In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn an old, neglected, ugly looking car into something that'll make you thousands of dollars in less than a week. Make sure you stick around and watch the end on how I added a ton of value to this car and how you can add a ton of value to your car flips to maximize the profit on every single one. What is going on, boys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we have a new car we're flipping. We got a Honda CRV, man. This thing is so mint. This Honda CRV has 260,000 kilometers. It is four-wheel drive. There's no issues at all. I think all it'll need is maybe brakes. Even that, it's not too bad at all. So I think we'll be able to make some really good profit. Can't go wrong with a Honda CRV, especially if it's one of your first flips. Get it at a good enough price, you can easily make 2-3 grand per Honda CRV. You just buy a Honda CRV, buy something like this, and just add a ton of value, clean it, make it look amazing, almost good as new, and you just relist with better pictures and sell it, man. It's not rocket science. Anyone can do this. This car needs a ton of restoration. The headlights, obviously. The interior is very, very bad. We're actually going to do the seats this time as well. Seats need a deep cleaning, so let's not waste any time. And as always, we're starting with the headlights to get this thing one step closer to market ready. These are a little bit foggy on the outside here. Let's get them done. Let's get them done. And as always, we start with the headlight. We first wash it down, take our 800 1000 grit sanders, and completely get it to looking nice. After this, there's a little bit of haze, so we take our polish, our drill attachment, and completely polish it up, and this transforms the headlight, going from yellow to completely brand new, basically. Make sure to buff it with a towel after, and it comes out great. Here's what the before is looking like, and here's the after. It looks incredible. Let's get the other one done, get the full exterior done, then we'll worry about the interior and those seats. I quickly did the other one with the same exact process. It doesn't take too long, usually about 10 to 15 minutes for each headlight, and it makes a significant difference when selling the car. Makes the car look a lot cleaner, and the buyers love to see it. So you guys probably see these ugly stickers here. Now, it does symbolize a family, and we're getting rid of this family today. To get off some stuff like this, you want to wet it, and then we got a razor. I wasn't able to find single side razors, so we have double side razors. This might be a little bit dangerous. I got this for 10 bucks, a little bit more than I wanted to pay for this, but we need to get this off, bro. This is not aesthetically pleasing when it comes to the car, so let's just get this off. Here we go. We got it right here. Now let's wet the surface. Now, let's get it. We took a razor, made sure the surface was wet, and completely razored it off. Oh, this razor blade sucks because it's like flimsy, bro. Oh my gosh. I don't care. We're gonna make this work. It literally bends like crazy. To be fair, this was not the greatest razor, and it did take quite a long time. This took me literally an hour, bro. This razor I got was so trash. It's finally gone. We got that ugly sticker. Now we got to clean the outside of the car. Let's do the wheels first. Now, these wheels won't make much of a difference because they are a little bit rusty. We can't get the rust off, but they will look a little bit shiny afterwards, so let's just get these done. They were pretty dirty. They weren't shiny, but they were rusted, so there wasn't much of a difference we could make. We took our iron file remover and completely scrubbed it down. It did make the wheels look a little bit shinier, though there was still rust on them. It's not too big of a deal. I then pressure washed the outside, getting it super clean for the listing photos, scrubbing down any dirt, grime that was left over on this car. It had been sitting for a little bit, so there was a bit of dirt, dust all over the car. I made sure to get every single angle, the front, the rear, the sides, and pressure washed in between the cracks, the windshield, everywhere. And after that, the car was looking fantastic for listing photos, but we weren't done yet. We still had to do the interior. All right, the outside of the CRV is fully cleaned up. We got those ugly stickers off. Now it's time to tackle that disgusting interior. Already looking so much better, and I think we're actually gonna make so much money on this car, so I can't wait to list it. This is a beautiful car, man. It looks fantastic, and this thing is literally like $5,000–6,000 car, so let's go, man. And here's the interior. The seats were completely stained, dirt, crap everywhere on this car. Every single seat had stains on it. It was disgusting. So just like any other job, I started by taking out all the floor mats, pressure washing them down, and then vacuuming. I used a drill brush to get any loose dirt out of the carpets, and then vacuumed up all the excess. I made sure to vacuum all over the seats, all over the cracks, inside the small spots you can't get to. And here's what it's looking like after. Honestly, this has been one of the dirtiest interiors I've seen. We are getting a crazy transformation on this thing. Let's wipe it down with our all-purpose microfiber. This thing is gonna look insane very soon. And to completely finish the job, we used my favorite, an all-purpose cleaner, microfiber, and got the job done right. You don't need anything too crazy for an interior. $15 all-purpose cleaner, $5 microfiber towel, and you can get the interior looking pristine in less than 20 minutes. This is such a great thing to do, and I highly recommend it if you're flipping cars. It adds so much value, and it's so much nice for the buyer to come see see a car and it's super clean when they come check it out. Before, when I first started, I had buyers not buy the car just because it's dirty. Presentation is key when you're looking to sell your car flips for extra money. Guys, if you ever have dirty seats on your car just like this one, then you can get a machine like this. I used to use this machine for couch flipping, but it's basically a carpet extractor. It'll completely take out the stains. We have a chemical we mix with hot water and then spray it on there, extract the stains, and they'll be clean. So let's do it. Now, to get these stains out, I started by spraying an all-purpose cleaner all over the seats. I then took my machine. I spent about $100 on it. It's not the greatest, but it still does the job relatively decent. I sprayed the water and the chemical cleaner on it, and then you just go back and forth sucking up the water out of the seats. This took quite a few tries, but eventually after a couple hours I was able to get the stains out. I even did them on the main carpets as well, but these ones were a lot harder to get out. This process is pretty satisfying. You have to go slow and steady to get all the dirt out of the seats. You can literally see the brown crap coming right out of the seats. It's disgusting, but it is satisfying. And here's the interior of the car now, super clean. The seats are clean, there's no dirt anywhere, and it's ready to be listed. After about an hour of working, our CRV is fully cleaned. It looks amazing. Now we got some final touches to do on the outside, and then let's get some listing photos. Let's do it, man. And before the listing photos, of course, we had to put our tire shine on the tires to make them sparkle for the photos. I always recommend to do this. It makes the car look even better than it did before. And here's the car in our listing photo spot, looking absolutely amazing. A nice clean background. We took the pictures, super clean. I was actually matching the car surprisingly with my shirt, and then it's time to get it listed. All right, the car's fully clean, ready to go. I don't think it's gonna need any mechanical work at all. It literally drives so nice. It's literally pristine, man. The car looks awesome now. I think we'll honestly be able to get $6,000 for this thing. We got it at a crazy price. The way it was looking before, we would not have been able to sell it for $6,000. The amount of value we added definitely adds it up to a $6,000 car. All right, boys, today's the day. The buyers are picking it up. We sold this thing to the first person who came to check it out. They checked it out the first night, waited on it, and then the second night they came, left the deposit. So this thing, it's getting picked up today. It's gonna be fantastic. I'll tell you guys how much we're making very soon. We didn't have to put too much money into this car. I don't think it really needed anything for our safety. Maybe just brakes, I think. Good profit on this one. That last Accord we did, no profit. The Civic we did, we had some good profit, and this one we have some good profit. So this week has been good. Now, anytime before I give a car to a buyer, I always make sure to put a thank you mat in there. It just looks nice. It's nice to do. It adds some niceness to it, you know? Just toss a thank you mat in there, and look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. This thing's pretty much ready to go. Oh shit, okay. Let's not break the car before we get rid of it. Let's move this out of the way. And now we can close the door. And then in about 2 hours, they'll be coming to scoop this beautiful CRV. Honestly, it's a great car, man. It's a great car. Like, if I got a daily that wasn't the GTR, I'd probably get like a CRV. Honestly, like, they're fantastic. All right, guys, it's time to go through our Honda CRV and how much money we actually made from the day we got it to the day we sold it. We had it for 3 days, which is fantastic. Now, for the car, after fees, we spent $2,900. Now, this Honda CRV had 260,000 kilometers, but it was a single owner with a bunch of maintenance records, and it was super clean overall. This car did not need anything to get up to safety standards. We spent maybe like, I think it was just brakes. So on the safety in total, including brakes and everything, it was $250. To register the car for the buyers, it was $90. And we did spend $10 on razors to get those ugly stickers off the back. Other than that, we didn't really have any expenses. It literally came with a full tank, and we barely had to drive it, so I didn't even have to get gas. So that puts us at a grand total of $3,250 invested in this CRV, and we sold it for $5,250, conveniently making $2,000 exactly, which is actually pretty crazy. I wanted to get $5,500 for it, but the buyers were super nice. We went down to $5,250 for them. We literally made exactly $2,000 of profit on this Honda CRV in 3 days. That's pretty good, man. We've had a couple good flips, and we got a ton more coming. So if you guys haven't, make sure you subscribe. I'll catch you boys in the next video. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. I'm gonna start answering them in the upcoming videos. Have a great day. Catch y'all later. Peace.